Anand and welcome to Learn with Anand YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install IntelliJIDEA on Windows. IntelliJIDEA is an IDE primarily designed for Java and Kotlin development, but it also supports a wide range of other languages and frameworks. Before going ahead, first you need to have Java JDK installed on your computer. If you don't have, then you can watch this video and then you can join us later. So let's get started. Open web browser. Here I have Google Chrome. You can open any web browser you have. Type IntelliJIDEA. Visit the very first link of JetBrains. Accept all. Click on download. Here you will find two types of editions. First is the Ultimate Edition and second one is the Community Edition. Ultimate Edition is basically recommended for corporate people who are working on large projects, but if you are a student and a learner, you can go with Community Edition. So click on download. It will take some time, depend on your network speed, so let's wait for some time. So yeah, it's done. Now let's visit the file location. Right click on the file, run as administrator. Yes. Click on next. As you can see, the IntelliJIDEA will get installed on this directory. So click on next, click on next and click on install. It will take some time, so we need to wait. So yeah, IntelliJIDEA has been successfully installed. Click on finish. Now let's open IntelliJIDEA. So we can skip the input and let's create a project. Name it as demo. Okay. Here we can see it automatically detected the JDK version which has been installed on our computer, or we can even download it externally if you don't have. So we can click on create. Let's create a Java file into the source directory and we can name it as demo project file. Inside this can write public static void main string JS system dot out dot println But why are we getting an error? Let's go to the project structure. Seems like it's not properly reading our JDK. Let's add it again. Can go out here, JDK 24. So now click on apply and then OK. Let's see if it gets solved. If this kind of error comes, that means it is not able to fetch the classes or modules of JDK. So I guess the error got solved now. Now we can run. So yeah, as you can see, we got the message which we have written on the system.out.println statement. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it.